One of the biggest challenges that we're all facing when generating AI videos in high resolution is that we spend a lot of credits. And so the other problem is that the majority of AI models available out there, they only support either 720p or 1080p, which is decent these days. What if I told you that there's a way that you can get unlimited 4K upscales, which allows you to save your credits to generate more AI videos at the lowest resolution possible and still get that unlimited upscales at 4K resolution? And so in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to take a low-res clip from any AI model to turn it into a crisp, production-ready 4K asset. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. The tool that we're going to be using today is called AiArty Video Enhancer. It's a desktop application and it supports Windows and Mac OS users. Once you've downloaded and installed and activated your license, this is what the home screen of the app looks like. And all you need is 3 steps to get started. Step 1 is drag and drop your footage onto the canvas, or simply click on the plus sign to import your video. Now, once you've imported your clip on the canvas, this is what it's going to look like. You'll have the slider to see the before and after. And so what's on the left is the before, what's on the right is the after. You'll also see your clip in the timeline below right here. And next is step number 2, which is choosing from the AI upscaler model, which you can get from the right panel of the software. You'll find where it says AI model right here. There is a drop-down menu. You just click that and you're going to find 3 different AI models. Each one behaves different depending on the clip that you're working with. The description of each model is available on their website, so I'm going to leave a link to that in the description and in the comments below. But you can always test out the difference live by checking or selecting one of the available models, and you can use the slider to see the difference in action on the canvas. Since we have a headshot of the photographer here, I'm going to keep the selection at the first model. And next up is where the magic happens. This is where we get to choose the resolution by checking the upscale option. We have a drop-down menu here that allows us to choose between different qualities. And as you can see, we have all those qualities that we could choose from and up to 4K. So I'm going to click on 4K and let's check out the difference. So now I'm going to zoom out a little bit. You can use your mouse to pretty much drag and move your canvas around to see better in different areas of your video clip. You can see this is the before on the left side. And when I drag the slider again to the right side, now we see a more crisp, clean, and more sharp facial details and hair texture, which looks much better and much crisp than the low-res clip. Another example here of a 3D cartoon animation clip that I used, and this time I've chosen the second model, which is the Smooth HQ V3. And the reason I chose that is because you can see here the clip is pretty much blurred out. So what I'm going to do is I'll use the slider, drag it to the left side, and now you can see a more crisp detail. The blur has been taken away and you can see it's much more details, which gives us a better experience overall when we export the video. Now the final step is exporting the video, but before that I want to tell you that this tool isn't just about upscaling videos. It's more like an editor because it allows you to edit your videos, to do color grading, to do frame interpolation, and the audio denoise, which is really cool. So in order to export your clip, what you want to do is simply click on the blue button that says add task right here. And then all you have to do next is finally click on the export button at the bottom right here, export current. And what it's going to do is it's going to process the video in the background, and you'll see the green color here showing the progress bar. Once the video is completed, it should be ready for you sitting in your computer so you can watch it in real time. They're currently running at 36% off for the lifetime license if you purchase through my link, which I'll leave down in the description below. You can use the slider here to switch between Windows and Mac depending on your machine. The cool thing about this is that you're going to get full access for 3 PCs. You're also going to get future updates and support for life, unlimited personal and commercial use, which is really cool. What's even cool is that if you get it during the offer, you also get a free gift, which is going to be their image enhancer software for 1-year license. So sign up today and take advantage of this. I hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.